We're gonna go on a 45K bike ride. I don't even know why we're on this bike ride on vacation. What's up? That's Mandalay sunscreen. That's rain sunscreen.
That's Bello.
We're over here in the lobby just waiting for the bike ride. We're all fueled up on coffee and bacon and all that good stuff.
Are y'all ready? We are about to get on the bus and we'll learn more when we get on there, but we're going to count you as you get on to make sure we have everyone. So don't get on unless I'm giving you a number. Okay? You ready? We're not Let's go. 8. If you need bugs, raise your hand. Okay. Yes. So everybody have a smile. Okay, great. Welcome to Bagan. So now we have about 20 minutes ride to the jetty, where we will get on boats. This is your customers for the day.
All right, guys, this is who's in our group. We got Mark, we got Lance, we got Micah, we got Sarah, we got Amy, and we got Scott. And I didn't mess that one up this time. And we got So. So this is group So Cool. What's up, So Cool? Make sure your helmet matches your outfit. That's our priority. Black is for the black. That's my kind of place right there. Here's the shark. Oh, sweet.
Baby shark.
Let's go. On a scale from 1 to 10, how hard was that for you?
12.
This is the Myanmar style around here.
The hard level complete.
Good job, good job.
Yeah, I want to do like that.
All right, just finished the first half of the bike ride. We're on the jetty and we're gonna move on. Let's go.
Decision. Hey, if you want to continue on the bike, just raise your hand. Okay, 25 minutes. I feel like we're close and we get almost there. Human bridge. It's gonna go anywhere. This is all me. There's so much force right now against this.
Hello, new shipmates.
Hello.
Same song.
Awesome. And we all know you.
Yes, we all.
This right here is the Irrawaddy Explorer. We're gonna be here for the next 6 days, and I almost fell. Arcesadventures. My dirty shoes. We buy dirty shoes. Let's put them together. Boom. Hello. Party time. We just made it to the dining hall here on the Irrawaddy Explorer. We're about to eat some lunch and drink some drink.
We're going to start the walking tour at 3:30. It is 2:30 right now.
Yeah, that's enough. Yeah.
Let's try it.
Kind of sad I missed that bike ride. Kind of sad. 317.
317.
We are in room 317.
What? That's a jacuzzi.
What? They got a jacuzzi. Look at right here. Look at. Oh, look. Dude,
L'Occitane.
that's some fancy. Let me get all this. Let me get all this. Oh man, I'm so smooth. Shoot.
Kids, listen.
Kids, listen up.
You work hard.
Wait. That's important. Work hard.
Kids, you work hard and you play hard. That's the best.
What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? I got my robes. Damn, looking all fly.
Okay, look at this. You got this
What you got for me?
fancy golfies.
Damn, that's like normal.
You got fancy
Damn.
sodas. But look at
I don't
this.
even know. That's like so awesome, but
Look
so
at this.
generic.
And look at this. You make
Well, I'm not saying generic like it's cheap. I'm just saying like it's like come up with a better name. Pop soda?
there you got fruit basket.
Oh, what?
What?
What, dude? Trying to
Fruit
eat all
basket.
healthy? Show them what we got. Show them what we got.
Ah,
shoot.
friend.
Living that good life.
Dude,
We got a bed.
bed.
Yeah! Look at it right there. I don't know what that is right there, but I'm gonna look at it when I go to sleep.
We got a vanity bag.
Wow. She got in there.
Unboxing. What?
What is it?
I wouldn't believe it.
What is it? What?
So that means we got two?
Dude, what are they trying to do around here? I'm trying to have a good time on this boat. All right, off to the walking tour.
Bye.
You enjoy it. I'm leaving Rain. I'm going on a tour by myself. I'm here with my friend Mujo. He's showing me the way to the walking tour I missed. See that right there? I found my group.
Oh yeah, they you have all going on. Can I get your? You want to have a little bit of tobacco? What is it? Actually, this is tobacco.
Okay, round two. I'll flip it across the park.
Very rich name.
Hope you enjoyed your tour of Salay. You know we're at the bar, right? That's where we hang out. Come join us.
Mingalawa. Good evening. We have total 34 crew member on board question. So altogether we are here to make you stay on board as pleasant and comfortable as possible. If you need something, please let us know. Yeah, we will tell you.
The food and lunch was great here.
About to get our grub on for dinner, first night.
That's good. But for appetizer, I got Burmese banana blossom salt, traditional Burmese dish.
Okay, so we bought Longy's for everyone.
2 thumbs inside and thumbs up. Jelly. I'm a lefty board, so that's why that way. Fold inside. And switch your hand. And tuck it inside. Adjust it. That's easy, right? That's easy.
That's it?
Looks easy, right?
No.
But I don't think so. I don't think so.
Alright guys, this is called the Longyi, and I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on. Thumbs in there like that, kind of flip it up, gotta lean back a little bit, flip it like that, flip it like that, switch hands, twist, and tuck right there.
You're such a
That's
good
it,
teacher.
that's it. Look at
You nailed it.
that's how it's done.
You're a pro.
Like that, look at that, boom,
I'll wear this bag.
boom. You wear that bag, I'm gonna wear that rum in my stomach.
So beer's only one?
Yeah, I'll take a beer, please.
What's the free one?
This is also today we something our complimentary.
Oh, man. Don't worry about it, we wear underwear, right? There's the movie, I don't remember the Channing Tatum.
I heard they're having a boat that's gonna be following us, so I'm gonna hang out on the boat, and then when we get to the final mile, I'm gonna get off and pedal my way to the finish line. See you guys at the finish line.